In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the DocuSign AI Agent to get instant help, answers, and guidance right inside your DocuSign account. If you've seen the AI pop up but weren't sure what it does or how to use it properly, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything in just a few minutes. By the end of this video, you'll know how to access the AI agent, how to ask the right questions, and how to use it to save time while managing your documents. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign. You can do this by visiting apps.docusign.com and logging into your account. Enter your email and password, and once you're logged in, you'll land on your DocuSign home dashboard. This is where you can send envelopes, manage documents, and track signatures. Now, once you're inside your DocuSign dashboard, look for the DocuSign AI Agent pop-up. Depending on your account, this may appear as a small chat bubble or assistant prompt on the screen. It's usually positioned in a corner of the interface, so it doesn't interrupt your workflow. Go ahead and click on the DocuSign AI Agent pop-up to open it. When you click it, a chat window will appear. This is where you can interact directly with the AI agent. The DocuSign AI Agent is designed to answer questions, guide you through features, and help you complete tasks more efficiently. Think of it as your built-in DocuSign assistant. Now, here's the most important part: asking your questions. In the chat field, you can type any question related to DocuSign. For example, you can ask how to send a document for signature, how to add multiple recipients, how to set signing order, how to create templates, or how to track envelope status. You can also ask more specific questions, like how to correct a recipient's email after sending, or how to enable reminders. Simply type your question clearly and press enter. The AI agent will instantly generate a response. In most cases, it will give you step-by-step instructions tailored to your request. Some responses may even include direct links or shortcuts to the correct section inside DocuSign, which makes navigation much faster. One of the best ways to use the DocuSign AI agent is to be specific with your questions. Instead of typing something general like help, try asking, how do I create a reusable template in DocuSign? Or how do I void an envelope that was already sent? The more detailed your question, the more accurate and useful the response will be. You can also ask follow-up questions. For example, if the AI explains how to send a document, you can then ask how to add authentication methods or how to set expiration dates. The conversation works just like a normal chat, allowing you to refine your request until you get exactly what you need. This feature is especially helpful for beginners who are still learning the platform, but it's also powerful for experienced users who want quick answers without searching through help articles or documentation. Instead of leaving your dashboard and opening a new tab, everything happens directly inside DocuSign. If at any time you want to close the AI agent, simply click the close icon on the chat window. You can always reopen it whenever you need assistance. And that's it. That's how to use the DocuSign AI agent. Just log into DocuSign, click on the AI agent pop-up, and start asking your questions. It's a simple but powerful tool that can save you time and managing documents much easier. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.